Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best car fresheners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Car Air Freshener and Purifier, Odor Eliminator. This one got the top list of the best car air freshener. This car freshener bag will help eliminate odor from your car with ease. It comes in a handy sack that contains active ingredients that not only absorb the bad smell but also create a fresher environment. Furthermore, the pleasant fragrance, though mild, lasts for a long time and comes in a convenient 300-gram pack. Made from high-quality bamboo charcoal, this product also filters allergens and bacteria, ensuring the environment is more hygienic and other than car use. This car freshener is also suitable for the kitchen, store, bathroom, litter box, closet, and many other applications. And considering it's made in the USA, you are assured of good quality. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Car Air Freshener, Car Vent Clip and Odor Eliminator. Why should you stay or drive in a car that smells of cigarette smoke, sweat, bad food, or pet dander? With this charcoal car air freshener, not only will you eliminate the bad odors fast but also ensure the air is cleaner and more hygienic. The 220-gram pack easily fits in tight, small spaces and can be placed or hang on the chosen location. Made from verified Moso bamboo and activated charcoal, this unscented deodorizer traps odor, bacteria, mold, mildew, moisture, allergens, and other substances. Lastly, it also acts as a dehumidifier that ensures the environment is hygienic and user-friendly. At number 3, we have the Car Air Freshener. Unlike most air fresheners that last for about 45 days, this one will last for as many as 365 days. It's regarded as one of the longest-lasting car fresheners as well as the one among the best car fresheners and is ideal for any car. Also, it's completely safe thanks to not having any parabens, chemical, allergens, fragrances, or any other toxic substances. Furthermore, consumers love the natural smell that makes it safe for kids, pets, environment, asthmatics, as well as people with sensitive noses. Last but not least, the Odor Eliminator works automatically and doesn't need intervention from a user. At number 2, we have the Plug-ins Car Air Freshener Starter Kit. One of the key attractions of this car freshener is its excellent design and size that make using it simple and easy to use. Consumers also positively talk about its natural and mild scent that slowly diffuses into the air and also combats most types of odors including sweat, cigarette smoke, mildew, mold, dampness, pet odor and more. Lastly, the included 7 reusable refill pads allow you to change the scent as your desire without spending too much time or money. Customize your drive with new Glade plugins car. Simply plug the device into the nearest 12 volts outlet. Turn on the ignition and transform any drive into an adventure for up to 60 days. Glade Plugins Car only works when the car is running, and a glow indicates when the product is working. And finally, at number 1, we have the Black Ice Air Freshener, pack of 24. The Little Trees Air Freshener is a top pick for users who love a masculine scent. Also, these light pieces can easily be hung on the rearview mirror or dashboard and will emit different scents, including bergamot, sandalwood, and lemon. The stylish design also makes the environment more attractive while the high-grade fragrance keeps the car smelling lovely for a long time. Going by reviews, consumers say the scent isn't too overpowering or too mild and is friendly even to people with sensitive noses, sinuses, as well as asthmatics. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.